Good morning. Welcome. You're watching CNN News 18. Doctors across India have gone on a strike. They are protesting against the horrific sexual assault and the murder of the RG Car's doctor. Health services is expected to be impacted, but the emergency services will not be hit. Only elective services are expected to take a hit because of the ongoing protest. Now, few presidents of the resident doctor associations have also met with the Health Ministry Secretary. They have submitted a memorandum. Now, they have been discussing and demanding a CBI inquiry, fast-track court and implementation of the Central Protection Act Committee. Meanwhile, the principal of the college, Sandeep Ghosh, has already resigned.
इसका कारण है मेरा बदनामी हो रहा है सोशल मीडिया में मेरा मुख में कुछ भी बोली जा रहा है इसके कारण से। और एक ये जो लड़की का डेथ हुआ डॉक्टर, ये लड़की मेरा लड़की जैसा है। एक पेरेंट्स होने का नाते मैं रेजिग्नेशन देना सोचता हूँ, इसलिए मैं रेजिग्नेशन दे रहा हूँ। मेंटली मैं आई डोंट लाइक दैट दिस शुड हैपन टू एनीवन इन फ्यूचर, लेकिन मैंने उसको बचाने का कोशिश तो पूरी किया। लेकिन हमारा जो डिपार्टमेंट है, हमारा डिपार्टमेंट चेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट में उसका डेथ हो गया, तो इट्स रियली अनअवॉइडेबल। दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिजाइन्ड।
You can see behind me, these are the resident doctors of Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital in the national capital, who are in fact sitting on infinite strike, and they are in fact demanding justice as far as the victim is concerned, and also compensation to the victim's family. We'll speak to some of them who have in fact gathered here.
We're likely to bring a focus of people on this situation. This case is not less than an Nirbhaya case that we had in Delhi. So I want to everyone, society and governments, focus on this case. And along with this, we want a focus on the crime which are occurring against the doctors. We don't feel secure in our hospital campus. There are almost 4 to 5 incidences of FIR launched against the doctors. There are incidents of gunshot in GTP hospital last month.
First of all, we want that the investigation should be thorough. It should be done by CBI, because there are what we are getting from our people from our fraternity, that the facts are being hidden. The people are trying to hide the person who has actually committed, and they are trying to scapegoat some other person. So we want that the investigation should be thorough and it should be clear and should be evident to everyone.
हाँ, माना कि इलेक्टिव सर्विस सारी बंद है, लेकिन डॉक्टर्स ने फिर भी अपनी तरफ से सारी कोशिश की है। स्ट्राइक आज सुबह से चालू हुई है, लेकिन हमने मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पेशेंट्स का काम कल शाम को करके रखा है, इसलिए कि ताकि पेशेंट्स को कोई दिक्कत ना हो। पर ये गवर्नमेंट और अथॉरिटीज़ को भी सोचना चाहिए कि अगर कोई विमेन अपनी वर्किंग प्लेस पे सेफ नहीं है तो वो कैसे काम कर सकती है। आज यहाँ पे सबकी ड्यूटीज लगती है 24 आवर्स 36 आवर्स, तो उसमें भी ओवरनाइट वर्क है, तो वो कहाँ जाएगी।
I'm going to go straight across now to Komalika Sengupta. In fact, Komalika has been tracking this very horrific case of rape and murder that has come to light from West Bengal. Komalika, doctors from multiple hospitals across the country have embarked on this nationwide agitation protesting the horrifying rape and murder of the PG trainee doctor. Now, what are some of their main demands given the fact that the accused is in police custody?
See, first would like to show you what's happening in RG Kar, and definitely with the demands. This is an emergency of RG Kar. In one side, let me show the other side. Here, continuous agitation is going on. The nurse, the doctors, they are actually sitting in agitation. Their demand is judicial inquiry. Their demand is justice. Their demand is they believe more than one person is involved. Their demand is why not security. Now we have one pregnant woman, Didi Ektu Daraben. She has come more than 8 months of pregnancy. She has come here for treatment. Almost 9 months. Didi, ये बताइए कि क्या हुआ, आप दिखा पाए? ना. क्या बोल रहा है?
बेर করে দিলে ওই তো সিকিউরিটিটাই বের করে দিচ্ছে, ডাক্তারের কাছে যেতেই দিচ্ছে।
पर आपका तो कब डिलीवरी होगा, किस लिए आए थे हम?
ওই জন্যই ফাইনাল ডেটটাও হতো।
So she is saying in Bengali that she was supposed to see, she is more than 8 months pregnant, almost 9 months. She has come from a district and she wants to know the date, final date, and ultrasonography, other things. But there is no doctor for which she could not. We will again come to another person. आपका ट्रीटमेंट हुआ अंदर?
हम 3 रोज से यहाँ पे भर्ती है। ट्रीटमेंट जो जितना 3 रोज में होने का था वो किया है। काल से थोड़ा सा ट्रीटमेंट का दिक्कत हो रही है, हल्का दिक्कत हो रहा था। आज भी तो मोटा मोटी नहीं हो रही है।
आज कोई डॉक्टर नहीं है?
डॉक्टर जूनियर डॉक्टर लोग है, उन लोग जो हमको ये शुगर टेस्टिंग, प्रेशर।
हुआ क्या?
हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। ब्लीडिंग प्रॉब्लम, तो हम दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट छोड़िए।
दूसरी जगह चले जा रहे हैं।
हाँ,
कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
हम 100 बजे मेट्रो से आया, सतदल क्लब से।
आपका क्या नाम है?
स्वपन सिकदर।
तो ये बोल रहे हैं कि he is saying that last 2 days little bit of treatment was taking place, but today it has absolutely gone down. He is going out of the hospital. He is trying to shift himself. But you can see a huge queue out there. This is the situation of RG Kar, and this is not the situation only of RG Kar. This is the situation of other government hospitals also. The doctors who are there, they're trying to run the system, but majority is junior doctors and PGT students. That's why there is a problem. Now, what is their demand? The demand is that why they were not given security. The demand is of judicial inquiry. The demand is they are saying that justice is not taking place. The demand was removal of all the people who are there in the authorities who could not provide security. Now, who are those people, out of which the medical super has been removed? The principal of the hospital has resigned himself. The ACP of this region has been removed. Security guard has been show-caused. But the question is, these doctors, they are raising that a rape and a murder was required for the authorities to be alerted. What were they doing when these things were happening? Why were they not provided security? Because they work for 24/7. The doctors were telling me it is their home. If they are not safe in their home, where are they safe? This is the condition of the medical health system in one side. That is the condition where students are sitting in protest. And not only this is the scene of RG Kar, entire Bengal, lot of government hospitals, nurses are going out. This is the scene which is now affecting the health system.
Absolutely. Kamalika, kindly stay on with me. In fact, joining these doctors in Kolkata are the medics in other places as well. In fact, we are seeing that these doctors who are working in government-run hospitals are holding indefinite protests across the country because they are fed up with the kind of violence they are subjected to, and these are the first primary caregivers. They're the ones who, save people's lives. Sharon is joining us. Sharon, tell me a little bit more about this protest that is happening. This has been a long-standing demand of the doctors, for the longest time, that they've been demanding a comprehensive law for their own security. They've been demanding that how they feel threatened, how they feel that their lives are under threat. So is that the same demand they're making?
Well, the demands are very much in the very same line that the doctors in Kolkata are demanding, that is the security of the doctors who are at the workplace. Apart from that, the demand is of course for the victim, the young doctor who was raped and murdered in RG Kar Hospital. Now, behind me, these are the doctors of the RML, resident doctors of the RML Hospital, who have in fact joined here in large number. You can see there are multiple posters and banners with which they have come here. Stop the attacks, save lives, justice for our healers. Our doctors are lifesavers, not punching bag. Violence against doctors end today. With these demands, the doctors have in fact, resident doctors have come here. Of course, elective services are going to impact as far as the government hospitals in Delhi is concerned. But the doctors have been saying that until and unless they don't feel safe, how are they going to continue with their work? I'll speak to some of them who have in fact joined over here. We have seen how there is one accused that has been arrested. एक जो accused है वो arrest हो चुके हैं इस मामले में, लेकिन काफी आप लोगों में से लोग बोल रहे हैं कि एक accused नहीं है इस मामले में, एक से अधिक accused है. ऐसा क्यों लगता है आपको?
Because the specimens जो मिला है वो 2-3 लोगों का मिला है, तो इसीलिए हमें और जो एक पर्सन को कैंपस के अंदर स्ट्रैंगुलेट करके, रेप करके, मर्डर करना एक इंसान नहीं कर सकता है. वी आर वेरी श्योर कि और भी लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं, तो इसके लिए
आप लोगों ने सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट, काफ़ी टाइम से आप लोग सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट की मांग कर रहे हैं. अभी भी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई रिस्पांस नहीं आया है सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट को, तो क्या अब आपका मूव रहेगा आगे जाकर?
अभी फिलहाल तो हमने यही है कि हमने इलेक्टिव जो प्रोसीजर है, OPDs वगैरह जो वो बंद कर रखी हैं और इंडेफिनिटली बंद कर रखी हैं. बाकी हमें आगे फर्दर स्टेप क्या लेंगे, हम एक बार अपनी टीम के साथ में डिस्कस करके विल लेट यू नो.